So this is the famous ukiyo-e printmaker, Hiroshige. And then there is another man named Hokusai here, Katsushika Hokusai. The reason I'm bringing up these two people is not about the ukiyo-e prints, but some of them show they are like stations, I mean different towns and their regional dresses. So here, Tokaido region, 53 stations, or Mount Fuji had 36 views, and the Edo had 500 famous views. But in it, you are going to have this kind of image, and this is snow at Kambara. So the region, the town named Kambara, has a lot of snow. So this is their snow gear in this town. So these are made of straw, right? And then they have sort of boots connected to the geta, right, like a platform shoes. And then they carry a stick, or you can make the straw snow jacket like this, like a poncho style snow jacket. Or the straw is equally helpful for the rain as well, just the rain. So you can use the straw. Or the umbrella is made of paper. If you put the paper soaked in oil, think about like olive oil or sesame oil, like linseed oil, then it's though it's water impermeable, right? So you can make your rain umbrellas, and then they wear again the straw for the rainy day, so forth. So you know, like the woodblock prints became very popular in the second half of the 19th century in Paris, and this influence of Japanese culture is called Japonism. I mean, the reason we put E at the end is because it's French, not English. So these posters, ukiyo-e posters, were collected by Parisian French artists, and then they learned that exaggerated colors or contours, facial expressions of kabuki prints in these eye-catching examples. So this is Van Gogh's example of a bridge in the rain. There is exactly the same ukiyo-e prints made by Hiroshige, and he copied it in oil painting. And then this one is very problematic. This is La Japonaise, a Japanese woman, created by Claude Monet, the famous Monet's water lilies, right? 1876. The woman who posed with this, you know, lavish embroidered uchikake, right, like that outer garment of a kabuki actor, is Camille, his wife. But as I explained in my other paper, this is Camille Monet's original look, and she looked like this. So what did she do to her? Any comments? Lauren Gennardo, do you have any comments?
I guess I would say problematic because she's not Japanese.
Right, not only that, what did she do to her from A to B?
They lightened her hair.
Mm-hmm. And then a lot of makeup, right?
Yeah.
Just like a kabuki style, like, you know, kabuki actor, right? The way exaggerated faces. These are also kabuki actors, or, you know, famous geishas in ukiyo-e prints. Yeah, so she put the wig on in order to see. And, you know, why do you think she put the wig in color of blonde?
I wrote this in the comments, but you probably can't see it. But I think that they like westernized it. Like they made it more Western and not authentic.
Right. They wanted to exoticize it. Do you see the point? Exoticize. Exoticize. So Japanese woman, you know, black hair, wear the kimono dress like this, versus a European blonde beauty wear kimono, which looks a little bit more exotic, like a European woman wearing the dress. So this is somewhat problematic, and there was a big controversy in 2015 at the Museum of Fine Arts Boston. The museum education program invited visitors to dress up like Camille Monet, but most people liked the idea. But in the theory of critical race and equity and inclusion, activist groups, they say this is a racist, imperialist cultural appropriation.